Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform factory reset on Sony WH-H900N. And to do this, you'll need to make sure that your headphones are powered off. So my LEDs are not flashing. That indicates that the headphones are powered off. Now hold the power key and NC ambient sound key at the same time. You'll need to hold them for a few seconds. And right after this LED lamp right here starts flashing, it indicates that the factory reset was successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.